Hi everyone, I'm Nelsie Marceliana and I've been working as a business development virtual assistant for the past 2 months. When I started this role, I quickly realized it's more than just outreach. It's about creating meaningful connections and opening doors for transformation. My main focus is reaching out to potential clients and positioning my client as a workforce transformation expert, making sure the value we truly offer resonates with the right audience. Each day, I balance multiple responsibilities from updating my client and attending meetings to following up with prospects through both email and calls and managing social media presence. I also dive into research projects and handle ad hoc tasks, which keeps the role dynamic and constantly evolving. Using tools like Microsoft Workspace, Go High Level, AI tools, and WhatsApp, I'm able to stay organized and efficient while maintaining consistent communication. What I've really gained from this experience is the ability to adapt quickly, communicate with purpose, and confidently engage with prospects, whether through written follow ups or live conversations. It's been a rewarding journey so far, and I'm excited to continue growing and making an impact.